Hello everyone, my name is John Jairo Benitez, Industrial Engineering student. I am going to expose step 3, Identify Technology Value. This is my conceptual map. This is my conceptual map about little knowledge by technology manager is charging of the process. As a first point, we have little credibility technology manager. The technology manager is the person who manages to gather all the necessary knowledge to be able to act as a nexus or bridge between basic research, technological development, and society. Number 2, lack of financial support. Number 3, technological what next. Sorry for my pronunciation, I do my best. Number 4, lack of managerial skill. Here we can evidence in the evaluation for the technology. Number 5, lack of information. The information is not accurate and much less timely. It's a major flaw in the technological year. Number 6, cost ignorance. This leads to difficulty in the technology evaluation. Recommendation. 2 recommendations. First, constant training of the technology awareness or the hearing personal training for the job to know the real value of the ear technology. Number 2, keep up to date information of technology and constantly do technology watch to know what is new in the market. And thank you for all. Sorry you for my pronunciation. I do my best. Have a good day.